Bryson from Metal Receiving here. Today I'm going to actually show you an improvement that we're making within the department. So normally with our metal, we store it all on our racks out there. We got aisles A through K of cantilever racking. Normally it's enough to store everything we need, but we found that there was one part number that was actually just a little bit too long and too flimsy, and they didn't actually make sense to be put onto that type of racking. So what we had to do instead, we had to go and build some tables for it, just so that we could place it nicely and actually store it in a decent spot. But the result of that happening is that now when we're picking multi-slide, we go and we pick certain parts from way out there, and then we have to walk all the way over here just to pick these parts. So Ed actually went and he found some extra racking that was out in the yard that was actually a little bit smaller, than more manageable and maneuverable, and we're actually going to go and transfer everything over to that. So I'll show you how that's done. Alright, so what we did is we took that mess that was over in MFLOOR and we actually transferred it to these racks that we had brought in. So right now we made it look the exact same way that any of our other cantilever racking looks like. It's a lot more organized. We got tags up. Yeah, it just makes it a lot more neat and organized. We've also got some extra room down here. We're thinking about putting some of our extra box items down there, so it's going to look even more tidy when we're done with it. And yeah, all in all, it worked out great, and it's going to save us a lot of room out on the floor.